Seeing video of a deadly police shootout in West Jordan. This broke out last night near 23rd West and 76 South. We know one person was killed and an officer was injured. ABC4's Jared Giannini is there live. So Jared, I also know we're waiting to learn if the name of that person who died has been released as of yet.
Brian, still waiting on the names of those involved to be released, but we just got an update from West Jordan Police Department, and the officer involved in all this is in stable condition and doing well this morning. Now, again, as we wait for the names to be released, we did get some door camera footage from the moments those gunshots rang out.
I heard several gunshots.
What Jennifer Smith thought were fireworks outside her front door ended up being gunfire. Smith's Ring security camera caught the moment West Jordan police exchanged gunfire with a suspect. You can see there one officer jumps on a neighbor's front lawn, dodging the barrage of bullets. West Jordan police say around 8 p.m. Sunday, a civilian who was following a stolen truck alerted police for backup. Arriving officers found multiple people inside the stolen truck who refused to get out. One person eventually did exit the truck, allegedly opening fire on police. Police fired back, killing the suspect. An officer was shot in the shoulder and is expected to recover.
And I'm just grateful that they were able to show up.
Smith says she's glad no one else was hit in the crossfire. And at this hour, police say multiple people are in custody. Now, since this is an officer-involved shooting, an outside agency other than West Jordan Police Department will be investigating. Reporting live, Jared Giannini, ABC4 News.